I'm back and I'm sure बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये year start किया है with new year new me. Well, guess what? Savannah is making it possible for all of you because you are not going to believe this. Savannah is having its end of season sale at the beginning of the year, which is giving you 80% off. And I can't wait to show you everything that I picked up in this sale because it's so many things that I've ended up getting at very, very low prices. And trust me, like, you know how big a fan I am of Savannah as a brand because इनके सारे कपड़े इतने ज्यादा stylish and trendy है. And I think this is the time when you have to restock your wardrobe and get on with your new year new me resolution with some new amazing clothes. So let's get started without further ado and let me start showing you everything that I picked up from this end of season sale. I absolutely love the color of this one and its material. This is like satin on the skin. Itna amazing hai. And I really find this like very, very classy. You can wear it with a jacket, you can wear it with boots or stilettos, or you can just go on your flats also. It's super comfortable and it's super classy and elegant. And as always, सारे के सारे links में आपको जितनी भी चीजें दिखाने वाली हूँ, सब links description box में mentioned है. So whatever you like, start adding it to the cart because ये sale खाली 19th Jan तक है. So this is another outfit that I picked up from Savannah, and you can see how hot and sexy it is. I love the sleeves. ये एकदम ही मतलब this is like a see-through sleeves. Okay, and it's stitched from here, but it can fall off also, and it's still gonna look amazing. And this, they have strings here to make it as tight or loose as you want it from here. So it's that halter neck kind of dress. And this cut makes all the difference. I absolutely loved it, and I had to get something like this for my parties. So I instantly picked this up the minute I saw it. What do you think about it? ये एक और मैंने खरीदा है. So these shorts they are separate, and this is a crop top. But how cute are the shorts? I really love everything leather. I have a leather jacket also. So I really wanted to add a leather shorts because I go to a lot of these parties and everything. तो उसमें ना ये बहुत convenient हो जाता है. So the minute I saw these, I knew I had to buy them. Right, and plus ये जो यहाँ पे ये tie up का दिया हुआ है option, so it just makes it look so cute and hot at the same time. I absolutely loved it. और ये crop top भी मैंने उठा लिया because ये color मुझे बहुत पसंद आया and plus it's velvet. तो इसको आप ना मतलब बहुत तरीके से पहन सकते हो. Like you can wear a jacket over it or you can wear a shrug over it. आप इसको Indian के साथ भी पहन सकते हो, Western के साथ भी पहन सकते हो. You can style it in multiple ways. So I found this very versatile, so I had to pick this up. It's like a very simple normal crop top, but something that you can really use it in multiple ways. So yeah, so that's another one. And how hot is this top? अभी इसको तो मैंने ये shorts के ऊपर ही पहन लिया तो इसलिए यहाँ से थोड़ा bulged up लग रहा है. Otherwise it just takes the shape of your body very nicely and it makes you look very sleek. यहाँ पे side में ये chain दिया हुआ है so that it fits you perfectly. और ये detachable sleeves है, तो अगर आपको winter के time पे पहनना है, अगर आप northern areas में रहते हो जहाँ बहुत ज्यादा ठंड होती है, तो winter में ये आपको बहुत warm रखेगा. Because मुझे अभी already इसको पहन के गर्मी हो रही है because Bombay में winters नहीं होते हैं. But yeah, so it's very warm, but it looks super stylish. It's a very unique kind of top. Multiple color options bhi hai, so you can check out the color options. Iska link description box mein hai, so you can check that out. And this is going to make you look super hot. Iska आप winter and summer दोनों में पहन सकते हैं. Summers में just wear it without the sleeves and you're good to go. These are another shorts that I've picked. I really like the feel of it. Very Emily in Paris kind of vibe. And yeah, I had to go for these. Very classy. आप इसको parties में पहन सकते हो. I really like this detailing of the buttons here and everything. So it looks nice. Plus ये top भी मैंने उठा लिया है. अब ये top भी इसी reason से लिया है. It's a normal plain spaghetti top in this color, especially so that I can, like, you know, use it in multiple ways. Also मुझे Savannah की jewelry बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. They have like some beautiful pieces. तो ये मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. This is what you wear in your neck. ये जो मैंने neck piece उठाया है, this is specially for या तो आपका कुछ ऐसा neck है जो यहाँ तक का बंद है, or you can wear this with something which is very deep neck. Gowns हो गए आपके tube tops हो गए, आपके जो sweetheart neckline वाले हैं उसके साथ. It looks damn classy. And this has to be hands down my favorite pick from Savannah so far. I absolutely feel like a doll in this one. It's so cute. Black color में इसका ये इतना part जो है that's a little see-through, and then this pattern and especially the bubble bottoms. This is so much in fashion right now and it looks so hot. इसको आप heels के साथ पहनो या boots के साथ पहनो, you are going to make heads turn. So guys, I hope you guys liked everything that I've showed you. I absolutely loved everything that I picked up from Savannah. And आप अगर मेरा Instagram follow करते हो, यू विल सी कि ये सारे आउटफिट्स मैं बहुत पहनती रहती हूँ, चाहे कॉकटेल गाउन्स हो या चाहे हॉलीडे के आउटफिट्स हो या लाउंज वेयर हो, कुछ भी हो, इंक्लूडिंग नाइट वेयर एंड स्विम सूट्स एंड एवरीथिंग आई बीन पिकिंग अप फ्रॉम Savana because it's something that is very very classy. They have like amazing trendy collections and it's super affordable. And right now with end of season sale and up to 80% off at sale price, this is absolutely not to be missed. This is the time for your wardrobe restock. So I hope you guys like, you know, don't miss out on this no matter what. सारे के सारे links description box में हैं. And as always, here is your gift, my coupon code which you can use at the time of checkout to get additional discount. Don't miss out on this one. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just go start adding it to the cart. This is only there till 19th of January. उसके बाद ये सेल खत्म हो रहा है, तो आपके पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं बचा है. So quickly get on with it. Go shopping now.